This video will discuss my procedural flora generator with permutation implemented. For this project, different methods of variation application were executed and compared to determine the difference and ultimately the best method of variation. These methods include stochastic and parametric applications. The stochastic AL system consists of assigning probabilities to various patterns of growth by applying multiple rules to one character. This was accomplished by defining predetermined weights for each rule, allowing for variety upon execution. As visible, each tree is unique, yet is identifiable as to be of the same species. The parametric AL system differs as it considers parameters every time an F character is found in the string. In this example, the parameter was the branch length modifier. The branch length was changed accordingly to the value inside the parameter, which created a string with new values for the branch length modifier. Each difference was pre-calculated to produce a tree of the same species. With parametric AL systems, there are many rules for the same character. The chosen rule is dependent on if its condition is met. In this case, if the modifier gets too low, only one rule condition is successful, forcing the AL system to use this rule. In this case, the successor boosts the branch length modifier back up to prevent branches from becoming unrealistically thin or small. Variation occurs by giving weights to rules where two conditions can be met at the same time. For my rules, my weights were determined based on the current value of the modifier. This allows the weights to differ per iteration, allowing the variation in weights as well as production. The AL system created uses a dictionary to compare the character in the string to the rule set. This was beneficial as it is not memory intensive and an easy way to determine if the current character has an allocated rule attached. The string consists of several special characters such as the ones shown, which all have a different role in the 3D drawing of a plant. There are two different pairs of rotation to allow the movement in 3D space, as opposed to the restriction of 2D if only plus and minus were used. This procedural flora generator can produce many different variations of numerous different species of plants, allowing its application to be useful and broad. Different species can be created by altering the parameters of the AL system, which include branch angle, length, and width, whilst also experimenting with the rule set. The plants are created using a system of cones and double-sided planes. The cones form the branches by forming triangles around vertices, created based on the desired radius of the top and bottom of the branch. This script was created to allow branch width to be modified within the AL system, creating a more realistic plant and further exploration for variation.